So how you can create your business page link and how you can share it. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you where you can find your business page link on Google and how you can share it. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser. Okay, so I'm going to show in my window, but this is the same process on your mobile phone, Android or iPhone. So first you need to log in with your email ID, and now just click on this option. This is group option, and come to the map. Go to the map, and here search for business, your business or any other business you can search. So I search my business here. So this is my business page, you can see on Google Map. So if I want to share this business to someone, I need to just click on this share link, and from here I can directly share on Facebook, Twitter and Gmail. So if you want to share to other platform like WhatsApp and other things, so just click and copy it. After copy, you can paste it anywhere like this on email or WhatsApp, or you can share this link so people can click on this link and they bring this link, bring them to your Google business page directly. Okay, so that is how you can create the shareable link. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.